All right, third grade. So you can see I'm on the Microbit website. I'm using a Mac Air. I've made my algorithm for my animal. It's in the forever loop. I have 4 faces, and under each face there is a pause for 1 second or 1,000 milliseconds. Each of my faces are different, so they animate in a fun, cool way. And I even have a text string with the name of my animal and my name. Oh, can you see my mistake? I forgot a space. So always double check your work. And then put your class as well. Okay, I'm just pretending I'm in Mrs. Benson's class. And then down here, you'll notice your work file of your project might be called untitled or something else even. Well, you want to call it your first name. So I'm going to type in Mike, and then I'll pretend I'm in Mrs. Benson's class, 3B. All right, now I'm ready to download my code algorithm. It's going to tell, the file is going to have my name on it and 3B. That'll help us because it'll tell us who made the code and what class they're in. All right, so now I'll go to the purple download button. All right, it processes and it says download complete. Then it shows a fun picture of a computer and its Microbit. And now, just like the picture says, we have to drag that hex file of your code to your Microbit. All right, so here's how we do that. I'm going to minimize my browser, which is the yellow minus sign. Okay, oh, let me get rid of that stuff. Okay, now I'm going to get my Microbit ready. I took my Microbit. Sometimes it's easy. You turn it over and then you plug in the USB cord. You can see the little end of the USB goes to the small silver port. The white port is for the white end of your battery pack, which we'll use later. So once it's ready like this, then you plug it into the side of your Mac Air, and it will turn on. And the funny part is you might see a different kid's algorithm from last year that could be playing on your Microbit. Just ignore it for now because we're going to download your new algorithm to that Microbit. Okay, so now we go to the dock of our Mac Air at the bottom here, and we look for the downloads folder. Okay, I click it, and then I'm looking for the file that says Microbit. They all start with the word Microbit, and then it'll be a dash and your name and then your teacher's name, so to speak. I'm Mike, and I'm pretending to be in Mrs. Benson's class. Then I take this and I drag it on top of the white driver that says, let me focus here, Microbit. There's a white box or a driver called Microbit. And you just heard I accidentally plopped mine on the desktop, and if you do that, that's okay. You just grab it again. There's my file, Microbit dash Mike 3B, and I'm going to drag it to the Microbit brain, so to speak. And then the fun part is, look, underneath your Microbit, it has a processing light. It's orange and it flashes. That means it's receiving and reading and executing your code. So now if I go back to Chrome, come on, focus, camera. There we go. And I can click out of that. You can see my algorithm is running right here in the preview, and it's also running right there. Okay, this is my text string. By Mike, it goes 1 letter at a time. And now it's going to start over after the 3B. So there's my face. See how the mouth is getting bigger? That's what I coded mine to do. And then it's going to say the great white bark, because mine's a shark and a dog. And it'll say my name and 3B. All right, then after that, you can detach. All right, let me do this quick. Oh my gosh. And then attach the white to the white end of your battery pack to the white end of the port of your Microbit, and it will play your algorithm by itself. And now you'll take some tape and attach it to your animal. Thanks. Good luck.